Hello my friends, welcome to another video, and this time around I'm gonna show you the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. So this is the most affordable variant of the Mate 20. This is basically the first one out of the whole lineup that appeared on the market, and this is the cheapest one. It costs around 300 euros, at least in Europe. This is a entry level to mid-range, if you want, type of device, but it packs quite a few interesting things, if you ask me. So we have a beautiful designed smartphone, if you ask me, considering the price tag, and it comes with a 6.3 LCD screen with Full HD plus resolution. We have one camera for face recognition and one selfie camera, 24 megapixels, for your selfies, and we also have a beautiful notch, because we love notches. Yeah, right. On the back you can see this beautiful color. I have the blue variant. You're gonna get a fingerprint scanner, also a dual lens setup. The first one is a 20 megapixel sensor with f1.8 and a secondary 2 megapixel camera for that bokeh effect. This device is capable of 1080p video recording, and it also features some digital stabilization. You also get a dual SIM variant if you want, and you actually can use the secondary SIM tray to install a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes. The phone comes with 64 gigabytes of internal memory, and it also sports 4 gigabytes of RAM, coupled with a Kirin 710 chipset, which is an entry-level chipset in Huawei's lineup. You also get one speaker at the bottom. It's loud, but it's nothing compared to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, if you ask me. Different story, I know. You also get a 3.5 headphone jack, so it's not dead, at least not on this phone. And this pretty much is how the phone looks and all the ports that it has. It doesn't have any IR blaster, so if you want to control your I don't know, smart TV with the phone as a remote control, you can't do it. It sports Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with EMUI 8.2. So basically the latest Android OS, although the Mate 20 Pro and all the other Mate 20 devices come with Android 9 Pie. But eventually I think this one will get it also. In terms of feeling and build quality, I have to say that this device feels really nice in the hand. It's very well built, very nice materials, glass on the front and on the back, and this metal frame. It feels very well built, and also, although this is a 6.3 inch display and the phone is quite big, it doesn't feel very heavy in the hand. It's very well balanced. But let's talk about the content of the box, because we also have something to talk about here also. So in the box we're gonna have the SIM tray ejection tool, and also a screen protector for your device, some QR code, a big user manual, and also a warranty manual. And also you get a quick charger. This is not the 40-watt quick charger that comes with the Mate 20 Pro. USB Type-C cable and also a pair of headphones, and this time around they are not USB Type-C but 3.5 millimeters. So this is the content of the box. You don't get any case in this box, and I have to say that it's pretty curious why they didn't provide a case with the Mate 20 Lite. But nonetheless, you have a screen protector. The phone comes from the box, from the factory, whatever you want to call it, without a screen protector installed. So you have to do it yourself. It's not a big deal. Kudos for them putting it in the box. So not a huge deal. And cases are very cheap. You can buy ones for 4, 5, 10 euros and whatnot. A very nice device, very well built. It feels very snappy actually. I haven't seen any problems, any issues so far. Very well balanced in terms of heft. The processor is not the fastest nor the best one, but still it does the job. Very interesting camera setup. It also supports an AI mode for the camera, but it's nothing compared to the Mate 20 Pro or the P20 Pro, because this one doesn't come with NPUs, neural processing units, dedicated just for AI tests. Basically this is, I think, a software implementation of the AI, but it does the job. So from the very few pictures that I've taken with this device, I've seen some very interesting results, if you ask me, considering the price point, because I'm repeating myself, this phone costs only 300 euros. So this is a budget phone for those of you who don't want to invest a lot in a new phone, but are not willing also to give up on certain features, or I don't know, some quality and some performance. That's why I highly encourage you to test it out. If you have the opportunity, give it a try, play with the device, and if you feel confident enough in this brand and their products, then why not go ahead and purchase one. I myself believe that this is a very good secondary device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Until then, as always, be safe, be good, peace.